Okay, well, number 7 and the rest of these on this page, I think. Yeah, what do you do if you don't have one set up like a linear equation? You can see here that x and y are both on one side. But what you have to do is you got to choose one of them, and this is where you can go a lot of different directions, but you end up with the same answer. Because I could choose to do this one, isolate the y. I want to get the 4 over to this side, so the opposite of negative 4 is a positive 4x. Okay, so if I do that, I got to do a negative 4x on this side too. So therefore, this will become y equals, because negative 4x plus 4x, that's 0, goes away. And this will be negative 4x plus 6. So now I got y equals this here. Or I could do it to this one. Okay, but either one that you do, you're going to end up with the same answer. Okay? So now, once you get one of them isolated, now I can take this is y, I can substitute that in for this one, and do the same process you did up here. So that's the only difference with the rest of these, is they do not have one of the equations set up for you. Okay, you have to set it up yourself. So you have to choose one, and then isolate the y, and then you can substitute it into the other problem, or the other equation. So I'm going to take this one, I'm going to go negative, oh, I got to get on the camera, negative 5x minus, well, the y is negative 4x plus 6 equals 21. Okay? So now I got to, well, this symbol, this is like times negative 1. So negative 5x, I want to get rid of the parentheses here. Negative 1 times a negative 4, that will make it a positive 4x. And negative 1 times a positive 6 becomes a negative 6. So basically this negative is reversing the signs inside. Negative and a negative becomes a positive. Negative and a positive becomes a negative, equals 21. And now we're right back to lesson 59. Add these together, so I end up with negative x minus 6 equals 21. And then I got to isolate out the x, so positive 6, that goes away. Negative x equals 27. I did something wrong here.